Make a great choice today with the 2023 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.